Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the opacity in Affinity. There are 3 ways to do this. The last one is my favorite and a real game changer. First, select your object, and here in the color panel, you'll find the slider at the bottom, which you can easily move. You can also enter a specific number and then press enter. But you might be in a different panel and not want to leave it. I'll select my other object, and here in the Layers panel you'll see the same option. And the last option is the one I use most often, using the keyboard. To do this, simply select a number. For 80%, press the 8. Here at the bottom left, you can see what I'm entering. 5 is equal to 50%. If you want to enter a specific number like 45%, then press the 4 and 5 in quick succession. And anything below 10% starts with 0. So for 4%, press 0, then 4. For 0, then 9. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe.